What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. I'm a native of Atlanta, Georgia, and very familiar with a lot of metro area shops and whatnot. Here's one from 1950, Marietta Radiator and Air. They do mostly car, automotive stuff, radiators, heater cores, fuel tanks, even big truck radiators, water pumps. You know, they do repairs to all that stuff, and that's hard to find these days, especially in a major metropolitan area, because a lot of people just try to buy a new one or a good used one. But if you have something original that you wanted to get fixed, check this place out. It's very good. It's not far from downtown Marietta, Fairground Street, Glover Street. But something that he told me, you know, one of the original employees of this shop is still around. He said, yeah, we used to be open on Saturdays for about half the day. And what he told me, he said, I noticed the employees dreaded doing it. You know, they dread having to work on even half of a Saturday. And I totally agree with that. You know, you want to make your employees happy. They'll work better for you. And for me personally too, I've had jobs where I had to work on, even if it's a half a Saturday, you just dread it. You know, it's like, it sucks, totally sucks to either have to work nights or weekends or holidays, things like that. It just sucks, and you hate it, and you'd rather not do it. So if you own a business, or if you are self-employed and you're always working nonstop, wishing that you could take a little time off, it's probably better for you psychologically to not work on weekends, holidays, and nights and all that, if you can help it. You know, I know it's tough for some people, but if you're able to take that time off, do it. Check out my channel. I got all kinds of stuff. Do over 2,000 videos on my channel. Check it out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.